Alright, so for our next example, we're going to look at, now we have a fourth degree polynomial. So we're going to start in the exact same way. We're going to find our list of possible rational zeros. So this is our P over Q. So our P's, we're going to look at -6. So factors of 6 are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, and plus or minus 6. And then for our Q's, our leading coefficient is 1, so we're looking at plus or minus 1. So instead of looking at every single number, now we're down to just 8. So our P over Q's are 1 over 1, plus or minus 2 over 1, plus or minus 3 over 1, and then plus or minus 6 over 1. So we're going to use synthetic division to find a solution. So synthetically dividing, I'm starting with 1 because that's what I always start with. So we're going to have 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 times 6 is positive 6. And so this actually works out. It usually never works out, the first one working. Must be my lucky day. Alright, so we know that x equals 1 is a solution. So that gives us the parenthesis x minus 1. And then, let's see, if this was x to the 4th, so this is x cubed, x squared, x, and then our constant. Alright, so now we're going to look at factoring this. I have 4 terms here, and I can see that I can use grouping. To factor this. If you did not see that it was grouping, you can use synthetic division again using our same list. So try something other than 1. But since I see grouping, I'm going to go with that. Alright, so I have my x equals 1, x equals -3, and then this one I'm going to use the principles of square root property to solve this. When we square root, we get 2. We get plus or minus. The square root of the negative is our I. And then square root of 2 does not go any further, so we're just going to leave it as our irrational term. So since this is a 4th degree polynomial, we have 4 answers. We have x equals 1, -3, and then plus or minus I times the square root of 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so that is it for this example.